Welcome to our guide on the top 5 best travel cameras of 2024. As we embark on journeys and capture the essence of our adventures, having the right travel camera is essential. This guide curated a list of the latest 2024 models, combining cutting-edge technology, portability, and exceptional imaging capabilities. Join us as we explore the best travel companions for your photography endeavors. Pricing information for each product can be found in the description below. Number 5. Olympus TG6. Securing the 5th spot on our list is the OM System Olympus TG6 Red Underwater Camera, an exceptional imaging tool tailor-made for adventurous photographers. Released in 2024, this camera goes beyond conventional travel companions by offering specialized features that elevate your photography game. Its robust and durable design ensures that it's not just waterproof and freeze-proof, but also capable of withstanding the demanding conditions of underwater exploration. The TG6 isn't just about durability, it's a creative powerhouse. The high-resolution, bright images it captures showcase vivid colors and stunning details, making it ideal for both underwater and terrestrial photography. The 4K video capabilities open up new dimensions for storytelling, allowing you to document your journeys with cinematic quality. One standout feature is the 44x macro shooting, enabling you to capture intricate details of the smallest subjects, whether it's the vibrant marine life underwater or the delicate flora on land. This level of versatility makes the TG6 a go-to choice for photographers who seek diversity in their travel shots. Compact and lightweight, this camera ensures that you don't compromise on portability while venturing into different landscapes. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean or hiking to mountainous peaks, the TG6 is designed to be your reliable companion, capturing every moment with precision and clarity. Number 4. Nikon Z FC. Introducing the Nikon Z FC with wide-angle zoom lens, securing the 4th position on our list of the best travel cameras in 2024. This retro-inspired compact mirrorless camera, released in 2024, is a fusion of classic design and cutting-edge technology. The inclusion of a 16 50mm zoom lens enhances its versatility, making it an ideal companion for capturing stunning visuals during your travels. The Z FC's retro design pays homage to Nikon's iconic film cameras, providing a unique aesthetic that stands out in the world of modern photography. Beyond its stylish exterior, this camera is equipped with advanced features that cater to the needs of both stills and video enthusiasts. The wide-angle zoom lens adds a creative dimension to your shots, allowing you to capture expansive landscapes and dynamic scenes with ease. Whether you're exploring bustling cityscapes or scenic vistas, the ZFC ensures that you can frame your shots precisely to tell your travel story. The mirrorless technology contributes to the camera's compact and lightweight form, ensuring that it doesn't weigh you down during your adventures. The intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make the ZFC an accessible choice for photographers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX ZS200D. Securing the 3rd spot on our list of the best travel cameras in 2024 is the Panasonic LUMIX ZS200D 4K digital camera, boasting a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor and a versatile 15x Leica DC Vario Elmar lens with an aperture range of f3.6.4. This camera is designed to deliver exceptional image quality in various shooting conditions. The ZS200D stands out as a compact and travel-friendly option, making it an excellent companion for those always on the go. The 1-inch sensor ensures detailed and vibrant shots, while the 15x zoom capability provides the flexibility to capture subjects near and far. Whether you're exploring urban landscapes or natural wonders, this camera offers the versatility needed to frame your shots creatively. Equipped with advanced features including Wi-Fi connectivity and hybrid OIS stabilization, the ZS200D ensures that you can effortlessly share your travel moments and achieve sharp, blur-free images. The 3-inch LCD further enhances the shooting experience, providing a clear and convenient preview of your compositions. In conclusion, the Panasonic LUMIX ZS200D 4K digital camera combines powerful performance with portability, making it an ideal choice for travel photographers in 2024. Number 2. OM System OM5. Claiming the impressive 2nd spot on our list of the best travel cameras in 2024 is the OM System OM5 Black Micro Four Thirds System camera. This outdoor camera redefines the travel photography experience with its robust and weather-sealed design, ensuring that you can capture breathtaking moments in various environments. The OM5 stands out as a versatile and compact companion, perfect for on-the-go photographers seeking both performance and durability. The Micro Four Thirds system allows for exceptional image quality and creative creative flexibility, making it a reliable choice for capturing the essence of your travels. Featuring 5-axis image stabilization, the OM5 ensures that your shots remain steady and sharp, even in challenging shooting conditions. This is particularly beneficial for handheld high-resolution shots, allowing you to capture stunning 50-megapixel images without the need for a tripod, making it an ideal travel camera for adventurers and enthusiasts who demand excellence in every shot. Whether you're exploring bustling cityscapes or venturing into the great outdoors, this camera empowers you to preserve your travel memories with unparalleled clarity and detail. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11. Securing the top position on our list of the best travel cameras in 2024 is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Designed for adventurers and content creators, this waterproof action camera sets the standard for capturing travel experiences with its cutting-edge features. The Hero 11 Black introduces 5.3 K60 Ultra HD video, providing an immersive and detailed video recording experience. Whether you're capturing action-packed adventures or serene landscapes, this camera delivers stunning visuals that bring your travel memories to life. With a 27-megapixel photo capability and a 1:1 9-inch image sensor, the Hero 11 Black ensures that every still shot is vibrant, sharp, and rich in detail. The camera's live streaming and webcam functionalities add versatility, allowing you to share your experiences in real time or connect with others virtually. Stabilization is a key highlight of the Hero 11 Black, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in dynamic environments. This feature is especially valuable for on-the-go shooting, providing professional quality results without the need for additional stabilization equipment. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 Black stands as the ultimate travel companion, offering a robust and feature-packed solution for capturing your journeys. From its impressive video capabilities to advanced stabilization, this action camera empowers you to document your adventures with unmatched clarity and creativity. Travel with confidence, knowing that the Hero 11 Black is ready to capture every moment of your explorations. In the ever-evolving landscape of travel photography, the top 5 best travel cameras of 2024 showcase a perfect blend of innovation, portability, and imaging excellence. From the underwater prowess of the OM system Olympus TG6 to the retro-inspired charm of the Nikon Z FC, each camera offers a unique perspective to enhance your travel storytelling. Panasonic's LUMIX ZS200D combines versatility with powerful features, while the OM system OM5 brings durability and innovation to new heights. Securing the top spot, the GoPro Hero 11 Black stands as a testament to cutting-edge action camera technology, ensuring that your travel memories are captured with unparalleled clarity and creativity. Elevate your photography adventures with these exceptional travel companions in 2024.